Tired of struggling with stubborn battery terminal bolts? The Worthco Battery Doctor quick-release battery bolts offer a smart, tool-free solution designed to replace your standard 5/16" battery bolts. With anti-corrosive steel construction and color-coded polypropylene levers, these bolts make battery maintenance simpler and safer. Installing these bolts is surprisingly easy. Thanks to their cam action design, you can tighten or loosen them quickly without any tools. Even if the instructions aren't crystal clear, a bit of common sense gets the job done in under 20 minutes. This means less time fumbling and more time enjoying peace of mind. What makes these bolts especially valuable is their role in protecting your battery from unwanted discharge. If you leave your car unused for a while and don't have access to a trickle charger, these quick-release bolts can help prevent your battery from draining due to electrical system drains. That's a practical benefit that can save you from unexpected dead batteries. Worthco has been crafting reliable, user-friendly products for over 30 years, focusing on making life easier and safer. Their Battery Doctor bolts are no exception, combining durability with convenience. The anti-corrosive steel ensures long-lasting performance, while the color-coded levers keep things straightforward and hassle-free. If you're looking for a way to maintain your car battery with minimal effort, these quick-release bolts are worth a look. They come as a pair, so you can upgrade both terminals at once and enjoy the convenience of tool-free battery management. Keep in mind, this product carries a California Prop 65 warning due to chemicals known to cause cancer or reproductive harm. However, many users appreciate the balance between safety and functionality that Worthco delivers. If that's you, someone who values practical, no-fuss solutions for car maintenance, give Worthco Battery Doctor quick-release battery bolts a try when you're ready. They simplify battery care and help you avoid the hassle of unexpected battery failures. Don't let battery issues slow you down. Upgrade your battery terminals with Worthco's quick-release bolts and enjoy easier access, better protection, and peace of mind every time you hit the road.